The school drama club was excited. They decided to put on a play about a magical kingdom. To put on means to organize and perform a show or event. Let's see more examples. The teacher put on a comedy last night. They're putting on a concert this weekend. Liam picked up the phone and put on a deep voice. "Hello, this is the police," he joked. To put on means to fake or pretend to have an accent, voice, or expression. Let's see more examples. She put on a French accent for fun. He put on a serious face before giving the news. Mia failed her exam, but she smiled and put on a brave face in front of her friends. Let's see the meaning. Put on a brave face means to hide sadness and act cheerful. Let's see some examples. He was sad but put on a brave face at the party. She put on a brave face after losing the race. Jake was tired, but his friend asked him for a ride. "I hope I'm not putting you out," she said. Put out means to bother or cause trouble for someone. Let's see some examples. "I don't want to put you out by asking for a favor." She felt bad for putting them out so late at night. Lily called the hotel and asked, "Can you put me through to the manager?" To put through means to connect someone on the phone. Let's see some examples. The receptionist put me through to the manager. "Hold on, I'll put you through now." The hotel was full, so Emma's aunt put her up for the night. Put someone up means to let someone stay at your place. Examples. My uncle put me up for a week. They put up their friends during the trip. Mark's roommate plays loud music every night. "I can't put up with this anymore," he shouted. Put up with means to tolerate something annoying. Let's see some examples. She put up with the noise for years. "I won't put up with rude behavior." Emma planned a picnic, but it started to rain. "We'll have to put it off until next weekend," she said. Put off means to delay something to a later time. Examples. They put off the wedding because of bad weather. Don't put off your homework until the last minute. Max walked into a new cafe but left because it smelled bad. "That smell really put me off," he said. Put off means to make someone lose interest or feel uncomfortable. Examples. The rude staff put me off going there again. The long wait time put off many customers. Lisa tried to focus on her exam, but the loud talking put her off. Put off means to make someone lose focus or concentration. Examples: the flashing lights put me off while driving. His jokes put her off during the speech.